Hey guys, have you been looking at Udemy solo ads and you're wondering how to actually find high quality traffic buyers and you actually want to know how to find the right ones? Well, in this video, I'm going to actually go over how to do it the right way and what you actually want to look at. It's pretty simple if you're going to get traffic. And also, I'm going to show you a high quality traffic source that I highly recommend that you get some traffic from in this video as well, and I'm going to go through that right now. Not everybody knows about the traffic source that I'm going to tell you about, but some people do. So I'm going to go through that with you right now. So, basically, if you're ready to order from Udemy, all you would do is you would go to buy solos, or you could look at the solo deals, but keep in mind if you look at solo deals, that typically those are new solo ad sellers, so they don't have any stats, right? So if you're going to do a solo deal, make sure you look at their stats and be mindful that if you do get from somebody who's in the solo deals section, that you may not get the results that you want, and you're just like doing testing when you do that, right? So right here is some top people. So really all you need to look at is the number of sales. So here's what I have on the filters, and then you can see right here. I mean, Glenn, I know him personally. Gabe, I know him personally. Khalid, I know him personally. There's a lot of people here, and they are good uh, solo vendors, right? And so, what you want to do is you want to look at the sales. So, look at the sales and see what the sales say. So it has a percentage right here, and then you want to look at how many reviews. So uh, there's over 7,000 right here. There's 1,800 right here. There's 2,700 right here. And so you want to look at that. And then you could look at price, right? So you could find somebody who fits your price. And when you do that, then you're able to actually go from there, and you'll be able to get results from there, right? So that's what you want to do when you go and you look for people who have traffic, and it may be a good idea to switch up the people that you use so it's new traffic, and also make sure you're tracking your stats. So make sure you have pixels on your page and you're tracking, the opt-in rate, the conversion rate, the tier one. It's very important when you're doing paid traffic, but I highly suggest coming over here to my store, profitbuilderstraffic.com, and there's going to be a link in the description. You can see my testimonial video right here, and I have plenty of testimonials on this page as well. Why you should get traffic from me is because I actually help you to do your funnels the right way, so you actually know how. Because when I first got started, I was told to run a bunch of traffic to a funnel and I would get a lot of results. It ended up getting me $87,000 in debt. So then I needed to get coaching, and when I got coaching, I started to learn traffic strategies. And when I started to learn the traffic strategies, that's whenever I started to sell traffic, right? Because I knew that if I went through these things, other people have to be going through those same things as well. So my whole goal in starting a traffic store and to sell traffic was to help people to get conversions. So what I actually help you with is I help you get targeted traffic to the offers that you're promoting, and I make sure that your capture page and sales copy are congruent to the offer. So you want to make sure that the capture page and the sales copy are congruent, and that way they go together, right? And then most importantly, you want to make sure that the traffic that you're getting is very high quality. And then here's a little bit about my story. Like I was saying, I was at $87,000 in debt from paid traffic, and that's because I didn't get any support and I didn't know what I was doing. I was just watching YouTube videos, being told to run a bunch of traffic to a funnel, right? So when you get traffic from me, you're going to get traffic from a variety of different sources, including Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus solo ads, and CPA marketing. So you get a mix of different traffic. And why you should get traffic from me is because I actually help you to set up and manage your funnels and your offers, I will give you the highest converting page that converts up to 85% opt-in rate. I will help you to understand how to track your leads and conversion rate. So if you don't understand how to actually put tracking on a page, that's something that I can help you with. And then I want to help you to make sure you build a list of the most highly engaged people who really want what you have to offer. So your list is highly engaged, your emails will end up in the inbox, and people actually respond to you, right? That's the key whenever you're getting traffic. So when you're buying paid traffic, just keep in mind that it is a sifting and sorting through the most engaged people, right? And so don't be too tied to the outcome of your solo ad run. What you're actually doing is you're sifting through the openers and clickers and the engaged people, and then those people are going to be your broadcast list, the people that are going to actually buy from you because they showed engagement, right? So that's pretty much what you want to do whenever you go and get traffic. And there's a particular way that you want to set up your emails so that way you only are sending emails to the people that want to hear from you. And I can actually tell you about that whenever you order traffic from me. So I help you and I tell you the funnel that converts the highest with any offer that you have. I show you and tell you about how to keep your emails out of spam. And I tell you what kind of follow up to do, right? Which these are things that a lot of people don't know. So that's why you want to book a package with me below. And then when you get your package, you could actually book a strategy call right here where we do a campaign review and I go over all the information that I just said, and I make sure you understand how to increase your conversions and how to keep your emails out of spam and how to actually have your people very, very engaged, right? So it's very valuable information. So the order of traffic alone is worth the call with me, because in the strategy call, I'm going to help you and I'm going to make sure you understand what to do right and what to avoid. So that way you're getting the best results possible. And then after we do the strategy call, we launch your campaign typically within 3 days of your order. So here's some of my testimonials right here. So take a look for yourself. And then here's my packages right here. So you can pick a 90% tier 1 or 100% tier 1. Pick the one that works best for you. And then here's some of the questions that people ask. So if you have any questions, chances are that your questions are down here with the answers. So make sure you check down here. And then here's my guarantee to you. I guarantee you 100% real traffic. No bots, no fake clicks, 100% real people who really want what you have to offer. So that's pretty much it. And if you have any questions, you can leave them down here and it will go to the support box and me or my assistant will answer your message, or you can reach out to me on Facebook. My Facebook page is below. I have a group that you can get into. It's a free group, and that's my page right there. And also, if you want to get traffic from me, there's going to be a link below in this video as well in the description. Also, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time to upload a new video. And if you have any questions, concerns, or comments, you can leave them below this video as well, and I will answer them. All right, thank you for watching, and bye for now.